Guys, I don't know you, but I don't feel comfortable here. Guys, seriously, I can't see nothing. Oh my god. Good morning, beautiful bikers people. Welcome back to another video. It's a glorious day, as you can see, here in Austria. Hello, mate. And today's goal is Malta Hochalmstraße. I'm not by myself, but behind me, I don't know if you can see from the side mirror, there's Maxim with his Ducati Monster. Such a beautiful piece of design. I will do some close-up later on to show you how beautiful is that bike. And yeah, Malta Hochalmstraße. It's probably one of the highest dam in Austria or in Europe. I think the road is like 14 kilometers long, and it gets to an altitude of 2000 meters elevation. It's quite far away from here. We are leaving Salzburg right now, and it's gonna take us, I guess, at least 2 hours and a half, 3 hours. So stay with me and stay with us and enjoy the ride. Oh my god, man. Ooh, the big gun. Yes, Maxi, go see. A really clean drive from Maxim. Ooh, really like Kawasaki. We are now approaching over tower. You see the snow on the top of the mountains over there, so we start our climb there. And funny enough, like almost a year ago, even a little bit more than a year ago, I did this pass during my solo moto camping trip in Austria. If you haven't seen that video, it's a great video, probably the most watched video on my channel. I don't know how and why, but I leave the link here and the description and the card up here. So once you finish this video, go and check it out, because it's a cool story. It's like a 3 days trip across Austria, a little bit of an adventure, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Welcome to one of my favorite roads in Austria. I don't know the name, don't ask me that. I'm not gonna spoil that because it's a secret, and it's so nice. Look at this. Tell me if you know a better road than this one in the comment. I will give you a little hint. We are not too far from Hochalmstraße. Well, we are getting really close to the start of the road. Look how beautiful is this valley. Oh my god, that was fucking massive bug. Out of nowhere, a massive waterfall. This is how we like it. Now direction over there. Okay guys, this is it. 14 kilometers of pure happiness. Guys, seriously, I can't see nothing. Fucking hell. We're out. Lovely. Amazing. This road is incredible, yeah. Okay, everybody, we are on the highest town in Austria. Right, this is getting serious now. No, man, this is horrible. This is fucking horrible. Man, this is horrible. These guys are chilling here.
What the fuck is going on? That's so easy to, but they jump down there or so. Yeah,
Really?
they jump down. You can in summer you can do it, but it's hard. Not so easy.
Okay, Matthias. Ciao.
How many meters high?
I think in 160.
160.
Okay, ciao.
And in summer the lake is on the other side, like
Yeah, it's higher. Yeah, it's
Wow.
higher then. But where, I don't know where. I think they jump down. There's a
From this-
special point.
Okay.
Guys, I don't know you, but I don't feel comfortable here.